This is a vintage Wells Royal 3-speed box fan. It was a product at a Treasure Island stores from years ago. Here's the control. 3-speed, low, medium, and high. Wells Royal, Treasure Island underneath the Royal, no, underneath the Wells name. It's got a heavy-duty plastic front on it.
Found it.
Wells Royal. It's got a metal grate on the back. There's the motor. It's a model 9711. It's from JCPenney Company. That's what the tag says on the bottom. And I'll turn her on high. And here is the Wells Treasure Island Royal nameplate on the front. Now turn her on medium. Low. And off. And that concludes the demonstration. Bye.